AI this, AI that. What to rant about? I wanna rant about life. Do you remember the hype with crypto? Everything was crypto. You cannot create your website without crypto. You cannot do business without crypto. Oh, come on. Where is this hype? Well, crypto was a tool. Basically is a tool which is used in needed niches, use it for needed experts. Unfortunately, a lot of them are scammers, but it's a tool. It's like any tool. It can be used for construction something, or it can be used to destroy something. So AI is a tool. So if you want to use AI properly, use it for easing your work, to manage your routine. But when you get clients and whoops, a cactus. Look at this bastard. Almost dead. I his father. Let's go. AI this, AI that. Lie. So, where was I? If you want to use it for minimizing your routine, to create some proper reports, to do something very obnoxious, and after that check it, verify it, and send it to work, then yes. If you want to use it like a tool for a final product, then no. If there is no soul, if there is no professional engagement in creation of the content, of the work results, then almost 90% it will be shitty. So why I'm ranking? We are getting a lot of clients and even some new job applicants who are trying to ease their way in by using AI. And not in the smart way use AI, by using AI on the interview, on the live interview. It's for the new recruitments. And for the clients, we're starting to get some stupid tasks which are created in ChatGPT or Gemini or something like that. Well, is it bad? Well, kind of. When people do not read what they are giving us to do, and we are doing it, they get what they do not want to get. So, AI is a good tool, but use it like a tool, not like an employee. See you.